Welcome to Drinks Made Easy. Today we're taking a look at the modern classic Eastside cocktail. Great for home, great for all kinds of dates, but no guarantee on blind dates, because you know how those can go. Can I help you?
Does Amanda live here?
Oh no, she's my neighbor. She's over in 309.
Oh, okay. Hey, is that an Eastside?
Yeah, you want one? Yeah, come on in.
Okay.
To build your Eastside, you'll start with 2 slices of cucumber. Next, you'll add 8 to 10 sprigs of mint, and you can always add more mint if you have somebody who really loves mint. We're gonna give this a light muddle just to start opening up, especially the cucumber, and then we're gonna add our liquid. So we'll have 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, just 1 to 1 equal parts of water and sugar, and 2 ounces of gin. While this cocktail calls for gin, if you have a different alcohol that you tend to prefer or have someone who doesn't particularly appreciate gin, you can swap out just about anything you like and this cocktail is still fantastic. Cap that off into a shaker tin full of ice and give it a good shake. Gonna double strain into a coupe. And there you have your Eastside cocktail. Nice, thanks. So were you gonna wear that on your date?
Yeah, why?
No wonder you're single. Sorry.